behind me. We're on 411 here, coming out of Vonore, going to Maryville. We went and ate, trying to beat a rainstorm back to the house. I'm on the new bike, 2024 V4 Tuono Factory. And I'm squidding with shorts and a t-shirt, dirt back gloves, like an idiot. Oh well. It was hot as blazes when we left the house, sun shining. If you're gonna be dumb, you better be tough, right? It's part of it. Got the cruise control set. Speed limit is 50, so I got the race map in it. It says race. I got power cut 2 tires on it. $51 miles on the odometer. I ain't used to this. It's got a fuel gauge. Raindrops hitting us. I can see it hit my face shield. Some dark clouds around us. This bike is comfortable. I'm on these damn, I put power cut 2 tires on this thing. They're good on dry pavement, but they're not very good on wet pavement. But since it's mostly highway, I'm not too worried. Beat this rain home. Everything's kind of hard to get. Rear sets that I put on these, I couldn't find them brand new anywhere. The same ones I put on my RSV4. The guy on eBay had a set that he never put on his bike, I guess before he sold the bike. So I got them for like $200 less than I would have paid for them new, but they were still new in the box. So I kind of lucked out there, saved some money while I was at it, but I kind of thought, damn, I got lucky. Because it's really the only rear sets out there that I know of that I can switch the sides, and it lowers the peg about a ½ inch, where I'm comfortable with my knees. And on AF1, the only pipe to slip on that I could find was another Spark titanium, but it's smaller than the one I got on the RSV4, which means it's louder. So I just took the one off the RSV4 and put it on this bike, and that one, the one I bought, is on back order a couple of weeks, and everything else they had for sale was like 2 months out or more. So thank God I got another bike that's got components that can interchange, so I can just do that. Looks like we might make it home and not get too wet, hopefully. It's like it's pouring over there. Strange, all my videos are dragging videos, but I I figured why not do something different. Hopefully, I think me and JR, Aunt Prelia, are going to take the boat out tomorrow. I put an auxiliary tank on it. Going to test it out. It's got a diverter valve. Better watch this intersection right here. Everybody likes to pull out. This Tuono's got pretty good headlights on it. They're all LED, pretty bright. I love that cruise control. Oh, good. Don't have to stop. Come on, Eugene. He's got on jacket. He's got that adventure bike with the big screen in front of him, so he more or less stays dry. Shit. Now I'm hitting the rain. Oh, damn it. I can feel it. Ooh, it's like needles. Clean this thing here off a little bit. Ah. Should have stayed on the damn highway. Oh well, live and learn. It's been raining here a little bit. Well, my RSV4, when I trailered it home from the dealer, it got christened with rain. So I guess this bike here will too. I don't like getting my bikes wet like this though, but yeah, it's got a couple miles to go here. What a way to break in Cup 2 tires. Shit. I just put them on this morning. You got about 30 miles on them. I don't know, about 20.
little wet?
Yeah, a little bit. Just a little bit.
I told Fred, I said, I'm guessing they're out there dodging lightning bolts.
Well, I don't see no lightning.
Hi, how are you doing? Yeah? Yeah, it's a little bit. You all did get spots or
We went to Vonore and ate at the.
countryside?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
He's gonna leave in 2 days,
Oh, yeah.
so I'm gonna.
The buffalo chicken or anything? What y'all have?
He got the pork chops. I got the country fried steak, like always.
Oh, lucky
Oh, thank you, buddy. Did you get wet? Huh? Just my shirt. You got that windshield though. I don't have the windshield. I was talking to my viewers here on the camera. Everybody see Captain's face. Alright, man. Let's go in and get dried off.